Hi, guys! Are you still bothered by photo transfer between phone and PC? We got you! In today's video, we will show you how to transfer photos from your Android to PC using free data management tool. First, launch this free tool, Sensio's Mobile Manager, on your computer, and then connect your Android device to your PC using a USB cable. When the connection is successful, go to the Photos tab, which shows all the albums and photos in your phone. Next, select the items you want to transfer. Then click the Export button. Wait for a few seconds, the transfer will be done soon. Check the computer folder, you will see that all the selected photos were transferred successfully. Simple, fast, and free. Also, you can use the tool to import photos from PC to phone. Create and edit photo albums. To manage your photos and more data, Sensio's Mobile Manager is your top choice. If you want to find an easy solution for data backup, click the download link in the description and give it a try.